Looking to bring cafe-quality drinks to your kitchen? The best automatic milk steamers make it effortless to create creamy lattes, frothy cappuccinos, and rich hot chocolate at home. Whether you prefer dairy or plant-based milk, these top 5 milk steamers offer versatility, ease of use, and barista-level results, perfect for elevating your daily coffee routine. Number 1. Simpletaste 4-in-1 Electric Milk Steamer. The Simpletaste 4-in-1 Electric Milk Steamer is a versatile kitchen companion that transforms your daily coffee experience. Whether you're craving a creamy cappuccino, smooth latte, or indulgent hot chocolate, this frother delivers rich and velvety milk foam in just minutes. With 4-in-1 functionality, it offers warm dense foam, warm airy foam, cold froth, and heated milk, perfect for everything from iced coffees to matcha lattes. Its large capacity lets you warm up to 300 milliliters 10.1 ounces of milk or froth 130 milliliters for 0.4 ounces, ideal for single or double servings. The scratch-resistant body and non-stick interior make cleaning effortless. Simply rinse under running water and wipe dry. Just be sure to keep the bottom and exterior dry. Built with safety in mind, the frother features automatic shut-off to prevent overheating or burning. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just love a cozy hot drink, the Simpletaste Milk Steamer ensures barista-style results from the comfort of your home, easily, safely, and deliciously. Number 2. Secura Detachable Automatic Milk Frother. The Secura Detachable Automatic Milk Frother and Hot Chocolate Maker is a powerful, multifunctional appliance designed to bring cafe-quality beverages to your kitchen. Whether you're craving thick, rich froth for your cappuccino or a smooth, creamy cup of hot chocolate, this frother delivers exceptional results with ease. Its larger capacity sets it apart, frothing up to 250 milliliters of milk foam or heating up to 500 milliliters of milk, making it ideal for serving multiple drinks at once. Equipped with 2 dedicated whisks, the frothing whisk creates either hot or cold froth in just minutes, while the heating whisk, conveniently stored in the base, gently warms milk for hot chocolate or lattes without frothing. The removable stainless steel milk jug not only ensures durability but also features a spill-free spout for mess-free pouring. Best of all, the jug is dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and simple. Perfect for home baristas and families alike, the Secura Milk Frother combines convenience, capacity, and versatility. From morning brews to evening treats, it enhances every cup with silky foam or rich chocolate warmth, effortlessly. Number 3. Rafow 4-in-1 Electric Milk Frother. The Rafow 4-in-1 Electric Milk Frother is a versatile and user-friendly addition to any home coffee setup. With one-button operation, you can effortlessly create dense or thin hot milk froth, heated milk, or cold froth, perfect for customizing drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and hot chocolate. Its generous 10 ounces 300 milliliters of capacity allows for 2.5 ounces to 4.5 ounces 75 to 130 milliliters of milk for frothing, ensuring a smooth and spill-free experience. For best results, use whole milk with over 3% fat content. The frother features a quiet, low-noise design and auto shut-off function, heating milk to 60 to 65 degrees Celsius safely without the need for monitoring. It's perfect for creating cafe-quality drinks in just 2 to 3 minutes while maintaining a peaceful kitchen atmosphere. Built with safety and durability in mind, it includes a food-grade double-layer insulated wall and an ergonomic handle for a comfortable, secure grip. The ABS exterior and non-stick stainless steel interior make cleaning a breeze, and it comes with a handy cleaning brush. From morning coffees to evening treats, the Rafow Milk Frother ensures every sip is creamy, rich, and barista-worthy. Number 4. Amzchef 8-in-1 Automatic Milk Steamer. The Amzchef 8-in-1 Automatic Milk Steamer is a multifunctional powerhouse designed to elevate your coffee and beverage experience at home. With 8 versatile settings, it effortlessly creates dense or airy milk froth, hot milk, chocolate milk, cold foam, cashew and soy milk froth, and even dairy-based baby food, making it perfect for cappuccinos, iced americanos, lattes, and hot cocoa. For the richest froth, whole milk with over 3% fat content is recommended. Unlike traditional bottom heating models, this frother uses safe induction heating (IH) for efficient, even, and quiet warming without burning or overheating. After 60 seconds of inactivity, it automatically enters standby mode, offering peace of mind and energy efficiency. Thanks to radial magnetic drive technology, it creates smooth, delicate foam quickly, while the one-knob operation and dynamic OLED screen make choosing functions effortless. Just turn, press, and let it work its magic. Cleanup is just as convenient. The split cup design allows for easy rinsing, and the magnetically attached whisk is removable and washable to prevent buildup. Safe, modern, and stylish, the Amzchef Frother delivers barista-level results with minimal effort. Number 5. Breville Automatic Electric Milk Steamer. The Breville Automatic Electric Milk Steamer, also known as the Milk Cafe, delivers luxurious, cafe-style hot drinks right at home. With induction heating, it ensures gentle, even heat distribution, creating ultra-fine microbubbles for rich and creamy froth, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, or chai tea. Just insert your preferred frothing disc, add milk, set your desired temperature, and press start. The result? Silky perfection in every cup. Its built-in measuring cap makes it easy to add hot chocolate or cocoa powder while mixing, and once your drink reaches the ideal temperature, the auto shut-off function ensures safety and peace of mind. The included accessories, a latte disc, cappuccino disc, and measuring cap, offer versatility for all your favorite drinks. Cleaning is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe stainless steel jug, so you can spend more time enjoying and less time scrubbing. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, 110/120V voltage, and 500W power, the Breville Milk Cafe is the perfect tool for elevating your coffee routine with minimal effort and maximum flavor.